Are you so poor that you can't afford the S21 line of smartphones? But you're still here, hoping that you'll get to see it in action at the Satans? I'm sorry, but we don't have the S21 smartphones here. But what we do have is Mother Google. So let's dive straight into it and have the most in-depth review of the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra Max Pro. Or is it S21? Oh, it's S21 Ultra. But before that, let's go to the sponsors. Are you getting old? Did you just get dumped? Are you trying to get your life straight, just like us? Well, that's sad because you can't do anything about it. But what you can do is subscribe to the Satans. Because at Satans, we make sure you cringe till you die. Satans, we do everything. Thank you so much, Satans, for sponsoring today's video and all the videos in the future. Now coming back to the topic, to the S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra in-depth review, thanks to Google. So let's see what the S21 has to offer. Starting with the design. The design looks very iPhone-ish. The new thing is that the camera module is embedded into the body. Wow! I would definitely pay a lot of money for that. Super high resolution camera, 8K video, which was already there in the S20. Galaxy's fastest processor yet. You don't say. All-day intelligent battery. All-day intelligent battery were there since S10, S10 Plus, S20. It's been there for a while, no? A striking new design. The most beautiful design yet. Every day just got epic. Absolutely. It's made to turn heads. So let's see how many heads it turns. We need to know what kind of heads they're talking about. So the S21 is 6.2 inches and the S21 Plus 5G is 6.7 inches. Both of them look like iPhones. Infinity O display. What a new name for the display. Dynamic AMOLED eye comfort shield. Super smooth 120Hz display, which is already there. Nothing new about that. We have various colors. Bold in black, sleek in silver, and vibrant in violet. Okay, very nice color combinations, guys. I'm just blown away with the colors. Total eye candy. Brilliant and protected in every way. The toughest Gorilla Glass yet. What Gorilla Glass are we at right now? Is it the Gorilla Glass 30? Built for those oh no moments. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is the new name. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, guys. You heard it here first. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus delivers scratch and damage protection. That's what they said about my S20, but I still got scratches and damage on the screen. Makes it our toughest glass on the smartphone yet. It looks like I'm going through an iPhone video. The best yet, the toughest yet. A total frame changer, 8K. Everyday moments, just shit. Pull epic stills straight from your 8K videos. Okay, so the new feature that they've added is that you can pull the frame from your 8K videos. For example, if you're taking an 8K video, you can take a picture from it. One take and that's a wrap. Single take AI is your own personal content creator. Just tap once and get a wide selection of Instagram ready photos and uniquely edited videos to choose from. So basically you press one button and all your memory is used up. That's all they have to say. Super steady. It's getting steadier and steadier. I don't know how long it's gonna get steadier and steadier. Soon we don't have to use gimbals, I guess. 60 FPS. Okay, that's nothing new. It's a reverse resolution. 10 megapixel front camera, 12 megapixel, and 64 megapixel. Oh my god. What are we gonna do with all these megapixels in a phone? I don't know. And some of them are still gonna say iPhone takes better pictures. The beauty is in the details, yeah. That your eye can't differentiate off. Instantly Insta ready. Okay, so they have collaborated with Instagram again, I guess. The night is yours. It's been ours since longest of time. But I've never had a really nice night picture yet. Say farewell to too far away. So more of the pixelated zoom pictures in your phone, guys. Congratulations for that. Put your face forward. Selfie mode is enhanced by AI to bring your features in realistic, true to life color. 10 megapixel front facing camera packs in tons of details while the fast autofocus captures stun us before you can blink. Okay. Can't stop, won't stop, please. Epic battery power. All day battery intelligent battery harnesses power well beyond 24-hour mark, even on 5G, with up to 4800 milliamp hour. New power efficient display, processor that lasts as long as you do. Well, if it lasts as long as I do, then super fast charging, fast wireless charging and fast power share. Come on Samsung, get something new to the table, please. The fastest Galaxy processor ever. Another gimmick, 8 GB of RAM. That's it. Share only what you want. Of course. Include. Okay. Welcome to the iPhone era, Samsung. All these years, iPhone was trying to be Samsung. Now Samsung is trying to be iPhone. All you need to make everyday epic. Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus include exactly what you need, and nothing to clutter up your drawers. So it includes USB Type-C data cable, ejection pin, and a quick start guide. Oh, thank you, Samsung. I'm gonna pay half of my salary to not receive everything that I wanted in the box. Perfect. So basically S20 and S21 Plus are a fail. So guys, don't go ahead and buy the new S21. They are just a value for no money. So the in-depth review of the S21 and S21 5G is: do not buy the S21 and S21 Plus 5G because they are not worth it. Nobody on YouTube is gonna say the same because the Satans give you the best reviews. And now for the climax, guys. If you have a lot of money to spend on something that's as useless as the S21 and S21 Plus, let's have a look at the price tag. So here it goes. Are you guys ready for it? Samsung S21 comes at a whopping $799, guys. Congratulations. And the Samsung S21 Plus comes at a price of $999. And this is only for the 128 GB model. Now, if you have more money to spend and waste it on these boxes, that comes without the charger, I must tell you. So S21 goes for about $849, and S21 Plus goes for the amazing $1,049. So enjoy wasting your money on these products, and let me know how wonderful your life has become after spending your money on this. Now you must be wondering, where is the S21 Ultra review? Well guys, there is going to be a next video for it because we need more views on this channel. We don't have a lot of subscribers and no views on this channel, so yeah, we need some views. So S21 Ultra review in depth and hands-on via Google will be coming soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to the Satans. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Even if you don't like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we are Satans and we do everything. Peace out.